students, class 10th, it is time of your first period. Student, in exercise 2.3, question number 3. We have already discussed question number 1 and 2 in the previous class. Now today we will discuss question number 3. Obtain all other zeros of 3x raised to power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. If two of its zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. Student, this is your bi-quadratic polynomials. Its power is, its highest degree is 4, so it is a bi-quadratic polynomials. As you know that in bi-quadratic polynomials there are 4 zeros. Students, 2 zeros are given, that is root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. We have to find out remaining 2 zeros also. Now student, p of x is given, that is 3x raised to power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Now 2 zeros given, that is root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. Let alpha and beta, let alpha is equal to root 5 by 3 and beta is equal to minus root 5 by 3 are 2 zeros of polynomial p of x. Students, by these 2 zeros, first of all we will make a quadratic polynomials. After making a quadratic polynomial, we will divide this bi-quadratic polynomial by the quadratic polynomials. Students, now sum of zeros is alpha plus beta, that is root 5 by 3 plus minus root 5 by 3. Student, plus minus root 5 by 3 minus root 5 by 3, that is cancel out, that will become 0. To make a quadratic polynomial, we have to require sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Now student, alpha beta is product of 0, that is root 5 by 3 minus root 5 by 3. Now student, plus minus root 5 by 3 multiplied root 5 by 3, that is 5 by 3, that is minus 5 by 3. Now student, this is your alpha plus beta and this is your alpha and into beta. Now we will use a formula to make a quadratic polynomial. Student, first of all, please note down it. Now students, we will make a quadratic polynomials. Now your sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta, is 0 and alpha beta is minus 5 by 3. Now student, alpha plus beta is 0. Now required quadratic polynomial be required quadratic polynomial be polynomial b. Now students, that is k bracket x square minus alpha plus beta, that is x, plus alpha beta. Now student, alpha plus beta, your alpha plus beta is 0 and alpha into beta is minus pi by 3. Now replace alpha plus beta with k, x square, minus alpha plus beta is 0, alpha beta is minus pi by 3. Now student, it will becomes x square, that is in 0x. 0x is 0 students, 0x is 0. Now plus minus, that is minus pi by 3. Now student, to solve it, please take the LCM, that is 3. Now that will become 3x square minus 5. Now student, it can be written as, that is k by 3, 3x square minus 5. Now student, k is equal to 3, where k is a real number. K is a real number. Now student, it can be written as, that is k is 3 by 3. Now this will become 3x square minus 5. 3 ones are 3, that is 3x square minus 5 is a factor of p of x. Student, 3x square minus 5 is a factor of p of x. If we will divide by quadratic polynomial p of x by 3x square minus 5, that remainder will be 100% 0, because 3x square minus 5 is a factor of p of x. 3x square minus 5 is a factor of p of x. Now student, we will divide p of x by 3x square minus 5. Student, please note down it. Student, we will divide by quadratic polynomial 3x raised to power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 2 minus 10x minus 5 divided by 3x square minus 5. Student, by which number 3x square is multiplied, result will be 3x raised to power 4. Now student, 3x raised to power 4 divided by 3x square, the result will be equal to x square. Now this whole 3x square minus 5 is multiplied with x square. Now students, if 3x square minus 5 multiplied with x square, the result will be 3x square multiplied x square, that will be equal to 3x raised to power 4 minus 5x square. Now student, we have to select like terms. 3x raised to power 4 and minus 5x square. Here x square to x square like term, that is minus 5x square. Now student, it will be subtracted. If we will subtract 3x square, the sign will be changed. Now it will cancel out. Now plus 6x cube. Student, minus 2 plus 5, that is 3x square. Minus 10x square, 10x minus 5. Now student, 3x square. By this number 3x square is multiplied, result will be 6x cube. Now 6x cube divided by 3x square. 3 to the, that is 2x cube divided by x square. Now x is left. Now students, plus 2x. 3x square minus 5. 3x square minus 5 is multiplied with 3x plus 2x plus 2x, that is 3x square minus 5 multiplied with 2x. Now student, it will become 3 to the 6, x square multiplied with x, that is x cube, minus 10x, minus 10x. Now student, like term use 6x cube, that is x like term, that is minus 10x. Now student, sign will be changed, that is plus sign change into minus sign change into plus sign, that is cancel out, that is also cancel out. 3x square minus 5. Students, 3x square, by this number 3x square is multiplied, there will be 3x square. Same, plus 1, that is plus 1. Plus 1. Now student, 3x square minus 5. Minus plus. Students, 3x square minus 5 is a factor of p of x, so remainder is 0. Remainder will be 100% 0, students. Now we apply division algorithm. Using division algorithm we get. Using division algorithm we get. Student, what is division algorithm? That is dividend. Dividend is p of x. That is divisor, the g of x. Quotient is q of x and remainder is r of x. Now student, what is your p of x? That is 3x raised to power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Now student, what is g of x? G of x is 3x square minus 5 and q of x is x square plus 2x plus 1 and your r of x is 0. Now student, we have to require other two zeros. Now student, if you will split it, factorize it, the zeros will be root 5 by 3 minus root 5 by 3. So there is no required to factorize it. We will factorize only it. We have two zeros given, but we have to find out other two zeros. So other two zeros we will find out by splitting the middle term method. Student, please note down it. Student. Now student, other two zeros of p of x. You can find out by using x square plus 2x plus 1. X square plus 2x plus 1. Now we will split the middle term method. The coefficient of x square is 1. 1 is multiplied with 1. That will be equal to 1. Now student, make two factor such that multiplication of two factor will be 1 and the addition of two factors will be plus 2. Student, 1 and 1. 1 and 1. Now x square plus 1x plus 1x, that is 1. Now student, what is common in first two terms? That is x is common in first two terms, that is x plus 1. Now what is common in last two terms? Student, 1 is common in last two terms. Now student, what is common in these two terms? X plus 1. X plus 1 is common. Now x plus 1 is left behind. For zeros, we have to find out the zeros from this factor. Now it will be equalized to 0. 4 zeros, x plus 1 bracket x plus 1 equal to 0 equal to 0. Now student, if x plus 1 equal to 0 and x plus 1 equal to 0, that is x is equal to 0 minus 1 and x is equal to 0 minus 1. So student, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1. So student, other two zeros, that is x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 1. So all the zeros of P of x are bi-quadratic polynomial. There will be four zeros. First is root 5 by 3, second is minus root 5 by 3, third is minus 1 and fourth is also minus 1. So student, note down it. All zeros of P of x are, that is root 5 by 3, minus root 5 by 3, minus 1 and minus 1. Student, please note down it. Student, please note down it. Now students, we will discuss question number 4 from exercise 2.4. Students, in exercise 2.3 we have already discussed question number 3. In exercise 2.4, which is resemble question number 4. Student, exercise 2.4 में question number 4 क्या है? same as it is exercise 2.3 से मैच कर रहा है, इसीलिए first we will discuss question number 4. Now student, P of x, a bi-quadratic polynomial is given, that is x raised to power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. Students, it is a bi-quadratic polynomial. As you know that if it is a bi-quadratic polynomial, there will be four zeros. But student, you have to given already two zeros, that is 2 plus minus root 3. 2 plus minus root 3. It means first is 2 plus root 3, alpha, let alpha is equal to 2 plus root 3 and beta is equal to 2 minus root 3 are two zeros of P of x. Now student, as we have discussed in the previous questions, to solve these questions, first of all we will make a quadratic polynomials. To make a quadratic polynomials, we have to require sum of zero, that is alpha plus beta. Now student, alpha plus beta is 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. Now student, alpha plus beta, that is 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. Now student, this is cancelled out. 2 plus 2, that is 4. Now student, alpha into beta, product of two zeros, that is 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. Now student, a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, a minus b is a plus b. Now a minus b is a square minus b square, a square minus b square, a square minus b square. Now a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. What is a? 2 square. What is b? Root 3 square. Now student, square of 2 is 4 and square of root 3 is 3, that is equal to 1. Student, please note down it. Now we will make a quadratic polynomial by using the formula. Student, we will make a quadratic polynomials. Now we have already obtained a sum of zeros. Alpha plus beta is 4. Alpha into beta is 1. Now required quadratic polynomial B. Now student, required quadratic polynomial B. Required quadratic polynomial B. Required quadratic polynomial B. That is K bracket x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta, where K is a real number. Where K is a real number. Now students, K bracket alpha plus beta is 4 x square minus alpha plus beta is 4 x, alpha into beta is 1. Student, K is equal to 1. K is equal to 1 because K is a real number. Student, if K is a real number, then that is 1 bracket x square minus 4x plus 1. Now student, x square minus 4x plus 1 is a factor of biquadratic polynomial p of x. Students, now we will divide biquadratic polynomials by x square minus 4x plus 1. If we will divide biquadratic polynomial by x square minus 4x plus 1, then remainder will be 100% 0, students. Now we will divide. Student, note down it. Note down it. And students, in next step we will divide by quadratic polynomial p of x divided by x square minus 4x plus 1. Students, by this number x square is multiplied, result will be x raised to power 4. X raised to power 4 divided by x square, result will be x square. Now student, this algebraic expression is multiplied by x square. X square. Now student, multiplied it. X square minus 4x plus 1 multiplied with x square. Now student, x square multiplied x square, that is equal to x raised to power 4 minus 4x cube plus x square. Now student, use the like terms, put the value downwards. That is x raised to power 4 minus 4x cube plus x square. Now student, subtracted, sign will be changed. Plus sign change into minus sign change into plus sign change into minus sign. That will be cancelled out. Now student, minus 6x cube plus 4x cube, that is minus 2x cube. Students, minus 26 minus 1, that is minus 27x square plus 138x minus 35. Now students, by this number x square is multiplied, result will be minus 2x cube. Minus 2x cube divided by x square, result will be minus 2x. Minus 2x. Now students, x square minus 4x plus 1 multiplied with minus 2x. X square minus 4x plus 1 multiplied with minus 2x. That is minus 2x square into x. If base are same, they are multiplied, exponent will be added. X to the power 2, x to the power 1, that is x cube. Minus plus, that is 8x square minus 2x. Now student, it will be minus 2x cube minus 2x cube plus 8x square minus 2x. Now student, sign will be changed, minus sign change into plus sign change into minus sign change into plus sign. Now students, minus 2x cube plus 2x cube cancel out, minus 27x square minus 8x square, that is minus 35x square, that is plus 138 plus 2, that is 140x minus 35. Now students, by which number x square is multiplied, result will be minus 35x square, minus 35 students, minus 35. Now x square minus 4x plus 1 multiplied with minus 35. Now student, that will become minus 35x square, minus minus plus 4 5s are 20, 4 3s are 12, 12 or 2 140x minus 35. Now student, it will become minus 35 x square plus 140 x minus 35 minus 35. Now students, subtraction sign will be changed, that is minus sign change into plus sign change into minus sign change into plus sign, cancel out, remainder is 0. Why remainder is 0? Because x square minus 4x plus 1 is a factor of p of x, so remainder is equal to 0. By using division algorithm, we get now student, p of x is equal to, dividend is equal to g of x multiplied q of x plus r of x. Now p of x is x raised to power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. Student, x square and g of x is x square minus 4x plus 1, and your q of x is x square minus 2x minus 35 plus 0. Students, if you will factorize it, the two zeros will be 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. So there is no need to factorize it. We will factorize it by splitting the middle term method this, and we will find out the other two zeros. Student, please note down it. Student, other two zeros of p of x. Other two zeros of p of x are, for other two zeros, x square minus 2x minus 35. It will be factorized by splitting the middle term method. Coefficient of x square is 1 is multiplied minus 35, that will be minus 35. Now student, make two factor such that multiplication of two factor will be 35 and the subtraction will be minus 2. Student, they will be only 2. 5 7 is 35, 7 1 is 7, 35, that is 5 7 1 that is 7 1 is 7. Student, 7 and 2 minus 7 plus 5, that is minus 2, minus 7 multiplied 5, that is minus 35. So two factors, minus 7x plus 5x. Student, x square minus 7x plus 5x minus 35. What is common in first two terms? What is common? Now student, x is common in first two terms, that is x minus 7 What is common in last two terms? That is 5 is common in last two terms, that is x minus 7. Now student, what is common in first and second terms? X minus 7. X minus 7 is common, that is x plus 5 left behind. 4 zeros, x minus 5 and x plus 5 equal to 0 is equal to 0 is equal to 0. Now students, from factorization we have to find out 0. It will become equal to 0. Now x minus 7 equal to 0 and x plus 5 equal to 0. Now student, x is equal to 0 plus 7 and x is equal to 0 minus 7. X is equal to 7 and x is equal to minus 5. All zeros of bi-quadratic, all zeros of P of x are student 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3, 5 and minus 5. Student, note down it. Student, please complete in your favorite notebook. Thank you students.